Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and we're joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes, and we're going to be doing a double jive version of a lady comb. Technically it's actually a short lady comb as opposed to a lady comb, but people always call it a lady comb, and if you know how to do a singles version of that, that would be very helpful. If you don't know it already, link in the description below. So there are two versions, a staggered and an unstaggered version. So we'll do the unstaggered version first. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break that down. Right to right, right to left. So ladies are all using their right hands, guys obviously do have a choice. We go semicircles and back. Combs usually come off returns, and this is no different. So we do the return, but as opposed to doing the comb straight away, you could in theory do it straight away from here. It's normal to go back first, and then what we do is we come in, we're going to comb with the right hand over the lady's head with the left hand. So it's like doing a left-handed comb and a right-handed comb, but over the ladies. We come down to the shoulders. On the guy's right hand side, we're going to bring those shoulders down through the middle between us to lead a spin. Then it's just catch, ladies offering right hands, return and back. Let's do that from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, return 2, stepping away 3, combing 4, spinning 5, catching 6, returning 7 and back 8. So let's try that to a count. Here we go. 5, 6, lady combs. We go a back, return, back, combs, spin, catch, return and back. So that's the basic version. Now the alternate version, which strangely is the first of the two I learned, looks a little bit different because it goes a back, return, back, comb one side, comb the other side, spin, catch, return and back. So we're spotlighting one lady, then we're spotlighting the other lady. Obviously you can play with the styling and you can be cheeky or not cheeky, etc, etc, etc. But the one thing you need to remember as a lady in this case is if you've got a count where you're not having to do something, you need to fill that time up yourself. So you're basically marking time, and you could do all kinds of different stylings for that. So that's more of an advanced stylings question rather than a double jive question. So let's do it from the other side and talk numbers. So we go semicircles and back 1, returning 2, back 3. Normally you do the lady in the right hand first. So we comb 4 and then comb 5, spinning 6, catching 7, returning 8 and back 1. So compared to the other version, it takes 1 count longer. Okay, so let's try it. 5, 6, lady combs. We go a back, return, back, combing 1, combing 2, spin, catch, return and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another double jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation coming up in the little windows that end at the come up at the end of the clip. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.